Inflation running red hot. Well, we might be turning a corner. Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 7:51 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is May 11th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. We're going to start off with our inflation print this morning. It's really the biggest number on Wall Street this week, 8.3% year over year. Still pretty high. We were expecting it to come down to like 8.1, 8.0% from a March reading of 8.5%, but we are sort of inflecting down. Soon enough, we'll get some base effects, right? The months a year ago will be higher prices, so that will just sort of naturally make inflation come down a little bit. Of course, Fed raising rates on the short term. It continues to be the biggest issue on the economy. Joe Biden chatted about it yesterday, what he's doing to try to fight inflation. Overall, continues to need to be a primary focus of your portfolio. You need to ride out this storm. You need to have some inflation hedging assets that really work in tandem with those rising prices. Those are companies that own physical assets like pipelines, like real estate, like a basket of commodities that does well in higher inflationary environments. It is not forever. It is just a season we need to weather as investors. Formula, a little bit of a shortage right now. That is concerning, right? If you're a parent, that's something that your child needs. It's really their only source of sustenance. Abbott Labs, a couple of weeks ago, had to pull a bunch of their formula off the market. They're the number one maker of formula, I believe, in the country. If Abbott pulls and then that demand can't go other places, it's really scary for parents. Thankfully, we have not seen any price gouging or tremendous inflation there. Hopefully, we can get those supply chains back up and running. It really is crucial to our most vulnerable and youngest. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Wednesday, Terracoin. Oh man, look, it is really down quite a bit. Here's a graph. Oh, 41 cents on the dollar. Supposed to be pegged to $1. And they're pulling in all their crypto reserves, right? They're selling off Bitcoin, trying to stabilize the asset. It's really not working very well. We've been saying this for months. Crypto, only put in it what you can afford to lose. It is a speculative investment, and this is probably the first of many dominoes to fall. All of these coins really are linked, right? If not by technology, they're linked by common investors, all of which are getting squeezed on margin at the same time. That is not a good thing for the asset class. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Till then, hope you and your family have a really good rest of your Wednesday. I am out.